Now that we're all together, I couldn't be happier to sing a song.
Yay!
A Christmas song.
Great.
Nolig honor Chadia.
Nolig honor, Simon.
At last it is Christmas. I have waited for so long. I have my presents under the tree. We've been singing festive songs. At last it is Christmas, my favorite time of year, with my best friends beside me, toasting a Yuletide cheer. At last it is Christmas, it's time to turn in. Daddy Nanolog will be here soon. I wonder what he'll bring. Now it is Christmas. Can you hear the choir sing? There is kissing under mistletoe. There are snowflakes on the wind. Now it is Christmas for all that you hold dear. Time to think of the future and a happy new year. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.